I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and use the Piurify Hydrogen Water Bottle here with it. That includes the nasal attachments with it and also how I feel about this here because I've been using it for a little while. But I got a brand new one that they sent out to me. So I can go ahead and show you guys exactly how to go ahead and take it from as soon as you get out of the box to where you might be right now. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and clean this guy here out, which we'll do that later. Then you're going to find this little guy on the inside. This here is, by the way, the gray bottle. They do come in multiple different colors. This here is going to be the one in gray. Tilt this here this way because there is water on this side, so that way it keeps it hydrated. And you're going to go ahead and pour this water here out. I do have a little water bottle over here that I just dumped that in there like that. Keep this. Do not throw this away. There's going to be a little plug down here that you're going to go ahead and take off too. But okay. So the very first thing that we're going to do is kind of explain how this here all works. Now you can use this two different ways. The first way is use it as a regular water bottle itself. And what you're going to do is flip this here over, turn this here this way, and you're going to go ahead and put water in it. So I like to use bottled or filtered water. Let's go ahead and pour some in there. And you can go ahead and pour all the way up to this top line right here at the very, very top. So the next thing you need to do is go ahead and put the lid on. This is rechargeable. It includes a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. So it is very portable for you too. Now we're going to go ahead and just hit this button here. It's going to run for 5 minutes. Hit it one time right there. It'll go ahead and turn on for us to go ahead and run for 5 minutes. Shows you our battery level. Has a little blue cool light. And you're going to start seeing these little fuzzy kind of bubbles popping up right there. Look at that. And that right there is just going to go ahead and run for 5 minutes. When it's all done, then you are good to go. You can go ahead and take off the lid or here, drink straight out of the bottle, or go ahead and pour it into something else that you might want to go ahead and use. So that right there is your first option. The next thing you can go ahead and do is do it by nasal. So you can actually go ahead and just breathe it in. And you just go ahead and use this tube right here to be able to do that. And the other attachment that you need is this guy right here that you didn't throw away at the first step. So let me go ahead and grab another one that I currently use right now for this. Because just use it off my personal one. There we go, because it's ready to go. So let's, I'm gonna go ahead and pause this real quick. Turn this here off and flip this here over. Oh, let me tighten this up a little bit. Flip this here over. I'm gonna hold this here to the side. Okay, so this is how you're gonna go ahead and breathe it through your nose. You're gonna go ahead and take this guy right here, and there's a cap down here. When you first get this here, you wanna take off the plastic. So now it looks like this. So you're gonna have a little cap right there. This cap comes off. You're gonna fill this here up with your water. Like so. And now you're gonna go ahead and install this onto here, just like that. Now you're going to pop the cap off. You're going to take your nasal end right here and actually put that directly in here like this. And now you go ahead and just put this here on. Now I see many different ways to go ahead and put these here on. I like to go ahead and kind of put it through my head, which there's this little thing. There we go. Put it like this here around my ears and back up like this. So that way it kind of goes in my nose. And then you just go ahead and take this little guy and move this here up. Now the gray one here is really kind of a cool kind of style to it. So I do like this gray color. It's really, really neat. So we're just going to hit this button right here and turn it on, just like that. We're going to get our color lights in here. And now instead of like having all the hydrogen and everything else go through the water, now you're going to see all the lights and everything else come up through here, and it's going to go up into our nose right there. So you go ahead and use it that way with it. So that is one way that you go ahead and use it. And then you just go ahead and turn it off when you're all done. So it's so easy to go ahead and use. And of course, you know, I get my glasses tangled up sometimes. A little blooper right there. But it's a great way to go ahead and add hydrogen from here going up into your nose as needed for you. So it's super easy to use. It's very, very convenient. The fact that you can go ahead and recharge it, and it's going to last multiple sessions with this. And if you want to add more hydrogen into your water, if you don't think that was enough, just go ahead one more time and it'll go ahead and run through that 5 minute process again and add even more into here. but it has an auto power off for you too. So it's going to, after 5 minutes, just automatically going to turn off. That way you don't have to worry about it at all. And right there is everything that you need to know about the Piurify water bottle. And I hope you enjoy it as well.